Hi, and if you're looking for the perfect travel buggy for this year, then this Aries stroller is perfect from newborn up to approximately 4 years old. And I'm going to show you how it unpacks, how it folds down, and just tell you a bit about it so that if you're thinking of buying a travel stroller and budget is important to you, then this is one you want to check out. Hi, I'm Sarah. This is Mini Travellers, and we're here to help families travel better for less with years of experience travelling with our own families. And today we are looking at the Aries Ickle Bubba travel stroller, and it's really cute and dead affordable. And this is great because it comes with your cover, which acts as a cozy toes. It's got a rain cover. It fully reclines, plus sits up and has multiple points so that children can grow with the travel pram. So it's actually recommended for use from 0 to 4 years old or up to 22 kilograms. And whilst it isn't cabin approved, you can still put it in the hold. So it is a great option for taking on holiday because it lies down if you've got a baby. It's great for cruise ships because it's narrow and folds up easily. And that is what one of the absolute benefits of this travel pram is that it folds quick and easy and is easy to carry. So this isn't a travel stroller that you can use with a car seat, so you've got to be mindful of that. But if you want something that you can just take out for dinner in a restaurant and lie baby down or toddler, then this has the option for you to do that. Plus, you've got your cover, which you can just take off, and it's more like a summer pram. I'm going to start at unboxing and take you through how I built the pram, how to put the wheels on, and so that you can see it in action, opening and folding down, and it's great for travel. What we're going to do now is going to rewind a bit. We're going to go back to the box, and we're going to take it out of the box, build it, and I'm going to show you how to open and close it and all of the stuff, travel accessories that come with it. This is the Aries Ickle Bubba stroller, so it is a travel stroller. I'm just going to get it out of the box. I've not opened this before, so the first thing is the cup holder. Here it is, and we've got it out of the box, and it is it's all built ready. So we've got the wheels here, and I'm going to find the instructions. So we've got a rain cover, so that's really good because I remember buying travel buggies with the boys and having to buy a rain cover. And I'm just going to have a quick look through and see how you attach the wheels. So we've got two different types of wheels. We've got the back wheels, which have got a side axle, and then you've got your front wheels. And I'm assuming that these must swivel as well. So they go on the front. And I'm looking at this, and I think they just clip on. So let's have a look. So to open it, I've just unclipped the side, but I will show you that in more detail in a minute. I just wanted to get it built first. I'm actually really surprised how big this is. And we're going to get the wheel, and they literally just clip in. So I'm going to show you a close-up of that as well. I'll put this back one on first, and then we'll do the other side. So there we are, we've got the wheels on. So we've just got this little front bumper bar, and then it comes with a lovely cozy toes as well. So it actually comes with everything. I have bought so many travel buggies and I've had to buy all the extras, and it's cost a fortune, but this has got your water cover. So I'll put that on after. You've got your water cover, you've got your cozy toes and your bumper bar. So I'm going to pop the bumper bar on, put the brake on so it doesn't move. And these pull forward and again click in. And that's in. So that's really good because it's really secure, which is what you want. So you've got a little basket underneath, which I'll show you in a minute. It lays down, almost fully reclines, and it's got a hood as well with a little cover up there. So I'm going to pop the cozy toes on it, and then we're going to have a closer look at everything else as well. So we'll start by popping this on. These attach we've got these Velcro strings here, so we can attach those higher up, and you're going to pop those round like that. I suppose you could put that over your bar, or you can pop it under, but that's nice and secure in there. So we'll have a closer look in a minute, but first of all, let's just pop the rain cover on. So for a pram that retails between 110 to 150, this is so brilliant. They were so much more expensive when my kids were little, which is bonkers. So I'm just going to take all of this off, and then we can have a look closely at the rest of the travel buggy. It's such a lovely colour. So this is the sage green, I think it's called. So you've got your straps there to attach it. You've got your cosy toes, which can go under or over your bar. And if we take that off for a summer holiday, which is what we all want, right? And here is our 3-point harness. And it looks like here you can move your straps further out. So as your baby grows, that's really good, because actually, look, you've got different stations so that you can move them out for bigger toddlers. We've got the cup holder here, so that just clips onto there. So it's handy because you can just take it off and put it underneath there. So that fits on the side. So we've got our window here that we can close. At the back, we've got the lift up and down so that baby can be reclined and set up. And we've also got a pocket in there. There is the tray underneath, so you have got room for shopping, which is really handy. And your brake system sits there. Now let's see how easy it is to fold up. So we're just going to pop the hood back. On the top, we've got this button, so I'll show you a close-up of that, but you're just going to flip and click, grab the bumper bar, and it's folded. So it's really, really easy to fold up. And actually, to open it is equally as easy, because if you can see, I've got my bumper bar there. This is the handle. So again, you're going to flip and switch. But before you do that, you've got a side safety bar, so it can't just randomly come undone if you, I don't know, walking on the tube or... And there you go. So that is really great if you're cruising, weekends or holidays abroad, because you can lay down, but you've got that option to sit up as well. It's a really great travel buggy, dead portable, and lots of things included that usually you would expect to pay extra for. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. So just remember, even though it's not cabin approved, do check for your airline, because it might, for some, it's just more the size. And as you know, some it won't fit in the overhead locker. But it is really lightweight, so it's perfect to walk straight up to the aeroplane door and pop it in the hold, which you can do. It's also great for cruise ships because you've got that lie-down facility. It's not too wide, and if you was in a cruise, going down for cruise corridors, cruise cabin doors, this is a good size for getting on and off the ship and navigating cruise ports. So it's perfect for that. I hope that helped. Whatever travels you're planning, have an amazing time. We will see you next time with more reviews, and happy planning.